If you want a beautiful property, it can be really frustrating to find thin or bare spots in your North Texas lawn. Bare spots can occur for a variety of reasons and progress over time. Today, I'm going to share 3 steps to fix bare spots and have the best lawn on the block. The first step is determining the cause of the bare spots so you can prevent them from reappearing. You may suspect there are problems with your soil or that insects or fungus has damaged your lawn. Excessive shade or too much water could also be another factor that has caused the grass to die. Ultimately, it could be multiple factors that cause the problem. A trained professional could really help you figure it out. After you determine the likely cause, the next step is to fix any issues that you can. If there is a fungus or disease problem, apply the right treatments at the right times. There may be some areas where grass isn't an ideal solution. You may want to consider expanding landscaping areas or pruning trees for more sunlight. After you've identified the cause and addressed other issues, then resodding could be your last step. This is where hiring a professional can really help. They can cut out a bare spot or thin section of your grass and replace it with new sod for an instant fix. Water the area a few times each day so your new sod begins to take root into the soil. Many bare spots can be prevented, so be sure to proactively care for your lawn. A pro can apply lawn care materials to reduce bare spots and also make sure your irrigation system is working properly. Here's to having thick grass and the best lawn on the block.